ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Hope you enjoy it with your family, even during a pandemic. Hope everyone's staying safe and all that good stuff. So this is a tech-related channel. I'm focusing a lot on smartphones currently, and I thought it'd be nice, considering tomorrow's Black Friday, and there's a lot of Black Friday deals coming up in the smartphone space, that I would bring you a quick rundown of some deals that Apple has on their website. This is all Apple specific stuff. I'm just going to be going over mostly iPhone stuff, and then there's also other deals that you can check out. All the information I'm getting in this video comes from pocketnow.com. They focus a lot on smartphone news and stuff like that, so I'm going to give them credit for all this information. So without further ado, let's hop right into it. I'm going to head over to my screen record right here. And so starting off our list, as I said, this is all from pocketnow.com, and this article was published yesterday, November 25th. Today's Thanksgiving, so it's the 26th. So we have deals going for the iPhone 12 Pro, as well as the iPhone 12 and 12 mini. The 12 Pro, you can get a $370 discount. However, just to keep this in mind, you have to trade an eligible device, and I'll be walking you through what eligible device that is on Apple's website. So, and however, you can also get the same discount for purchasing the 12 Pro Max. So it's the exact same. Oh, my thing just glitched. So at $729 for the 12 Pro Max. So that's a pretty good discount. However, you have to keep in mind that Apple's making a lot of money when you trade in your devices, because they're just reselling it for a lot more. I mean, that's what companies do. And then on the other hand, we have the 12 and the 12 mini. Those are the phones I actually like. I would not recommend buying a 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max. You can get those phones for $549 and $449, a $250 discount with an eligible trade-in. And then we also have deals on the MacBook Pro. If you guys want to take a look at that, you can. They currently have a deal on Amazon for, yep, right here. They have a deal right here for $1,650, 8% off, getting $150 off, which is pretty good. So here are the deals for the iPhone 12 Pro. So if we just select that and pick a color, I don't know, Verizon. Then we scroll down, let's just do the base model. And then, oh no, I want yes for trade-in. And I don't know why you would be trading these devices. I don't know why you would have an 11 Pro Max and want to trade that in, but you can. But getting $450 off, honestly, that's a lot of money, even for Apple. So, and then yes. And you can do pay in full. So you're basically getting the phone for $549. I mean, that's an absolute steal, especially for an iPhone 12 Pro. However, I don't think most people are going to be actually trading in devices like that. I'm guessing they'd be trading in like iPhone 10s or iPhone 8s, or I don't know why you traded in the new iPhone SE or 6S or 7, something like that. And then if we head over to this web page, let's go for the 12 mini this time. I actually like the 12 mini. It's kind of a neat little smartphone, especially for those who don't like big devices, like myself. Let's go black. Let's go Verizon. Honestly, the fact that they're giving you an OLED screen, I think it's 5.4 inches, the screen size, with dual cameras, with the latest software and everything, kind of sick. I think the only downside is really battery life, just because it's a small phone. And also storage, the base model is only 64 gigs, which is kind of ridiculous in 2020. But hey, do we have a smartphone? Yes. And if we go here, I don't know. It depends on what phone you have. However, you can get a lot of money off. So let's say hypothetically you're trading in an iPhone 8 because you like the small form factor. You can get $140 off. So what would you be paying? Oh, we just have to click yes here. Oh, no. In great condition. It's always in good condition. You're paying $559, so that's not bad. I think that's worth it, especially if you're coming. Oh, I just realized I'm on iPhone 12. I'm not even on the 12. Oh wait, no, I'm on the 12 mini. Okay, sorry. I'm on the 12 mini. If I were to do the same thing for the iPhone 12, what could I get this for? It was $100 more. Honestly, 12 mini, they're both great phones. If you like Apple, get an iPhone. I don't like Apple that much. I mean, I've been using an iPhone 7, but I'm probably gonna switch back to Android shortly. I kind of miss it. iMessage and FaceTime is great. However, the other apps and stuff, and the screen is too small on here for my liking compared to my S9, which has a 5.8-inch Super AMOLED display. Leave a comment down below what you think about iPhones versus Androids. Love to hear it. Always love having those kinds of discussions with people and finding out why they actually like certain devices. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Go check out these Apple deals. You can also go check out the MacBook on Amazon, and Apple's also having a bunch of other deals. I will link Pocket Now's website in the description so you guys can take a look at it. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video from Life Made Easy.